Slope is a measure of the steepness of a line, slope denoted by small letter m, and it is defined as the ratio of vertical chains to horizontal chains between 2 points on the line. The slope is also known as rise over run. Rise is the vertical change and run is the horizontal change. To illustrate, let us use push pins as points and stick or yarns as lines. The line contains point 1, x sub 1, y sub 1, and point 2, x sub 2, y sub 2. In this illustration, if we draw a vertical line from point 1 and horizontal line going to point 2, the point of intersection is the third point x sub 1, y sub 2. The 3 points form a triangle. The height of the triangle is the rise or the vertical change, and the width of the triangle is the run or horizontal change. The slope of this line can be determined by rise over run or changes on the vertical and changes on horizontal. There are different types of slope. First is the positive slope. The slope is positive if the line is increasing from left to right. In this figure, figure 2, shows that the line is leaning to the right. Second, negative slope. The slope is negative if the line is increasing from right to left. In this figure, figure 3, shows that the line is leaning to the left. Third, the zero slope. The zero slope has no vertical change. Figure 4 is a horizontal line. The slope of horizontal line is 0 because there is no vertical change or no changes on the rise. Fourth, undefined. The slope is undefined if the line has no horizontal change. Figure 5 is a vertical line. The slope of vertical line is undefined because there is no horizontal change or no changes on the run. I hope you understand about the slope of a line and the different types of slope. See you on the next video.